Hello everyone and welcome to beautiful Koh Samui, Thailand. Today we rented a scooter and we're gonna take you around the island. This is how Koh Samui looks like now in May 2021.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart,
we're staying at this place called Golden Villas. There are 5 villas here and they have a shared swimming pool, which is awesome. So let's jump on the scooter and let's go explore Koh Samui. We're in Thailand, so the main mode of transportation is the scooter. This one's ours. It's a Yamaha Cubics 125. And remember everyone, safety first. Always wear a helmet.
Inside the noise, I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope it's your destination.
Look at all these flowers and butterflies. Oh my god, I love the sound. Like you can't hear anything except the birds and some music in the restaurant. Cable car, zip lining, and the viewpoint.
It's a fish spot.
Funny fish spot.
So here we are at the Lemai Viewpoint. It's 100 baht a person to enter, which is just about $3 US. And it's a 10-minute hike up the mountain, or you can pay 100 baht more to use the cable car service. Are you already tired?
Yes.
The climb is quite steep. So if you don't feel like climbing a lot, use the cable cart. So this is the cable car stop. If you want to use the cable car, check out that view. There's a nice place to sit here. They also do zip lining. Okay, so there was one more floor, looks like it. So let's go all the way to the top. After your hike, you're rewarded with this. Beautiful. So there's a little cafe at the top to get some refreshments and a beautiful view, of course. Look at that.
I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you. I don't know you, but I want to get to know you. Just wanna get to know you.
So the Lemai Viewpoint was definitely worth it. Really enjoyed it. if you're in Lemai Beach in Koh Samui, definitely check it out. There's a little road close to the macro supermarket, and you can hike up or just take the cable car. For 800 baht, they also have these zipline tours available if you like ziplining. We're just gonna go ahead and head home. Christina got a little bit excited with taking pictures and videos on her phone, so her battery's almost dead. We're gonna go home, grab a power bank, and then we're gonna go look for something to eat. So on our way to the Bohut Fish Village, we stopped at a Big C, and this is just a local supermarket here in Koh Samui. They have these food parks where the food is very, very reasonable. Just a quick travel hack for you guys who are budget conscious. If you go to the Bohut Fish Village, you'll find an appetizer will be anything from 300 to 600 baht, which might not sound like much for European or American prices, but for Thailand, that's quite a lot. So if you come to one of these Tesco Lotuses or Big C, you will find food parks and you can get food like this. I'm not sure if you can see, but a chicken steak, which is just a plate of grilled chicken with french fries and a salad, is 49 baht, and a pork steak is 89 baht. That's what I call a really good deal.
Be the same, like strangers again.
If you want to dine with a view, check out one of these places.
All we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted.
So we already had lunch, but we're gonna have dessert at this place. It's called Smile House, and we're gonna try some nice desserts and look at the view.
This one.
Things will never be the same, like strangers again.
So on our way back to Lemai Beach, we stopped by Lemai Viewpoint, and check this out. If you want to see Gatorade water, this is the place to come. It's just a quick stop off the road. Check that out. Go jump in.
If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. And as always, stay safe, be nice to each other, and we'll see you again in the next one.